Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm audible, no?
Yes, sir, you are.
Good, good. Yes, it's a Sunday late afternoon. How did you come to class? I mean, okay. Yeah, so today the main topic to discuss is dictionary, no? And you guys have watched the video, I mean, the week 7, no?
Yes. So, week 7 watched.
Okay, good, good. Well, Bill, so you all have got the mail, no?
Not mail, sir. It was updated in calendar.
Calendar, as well as I told them to send the mail. I think they sent. I mean, you guys didn't check your mail. I mean,
I checked.
Yes, sir, no mail received.
No mail, yeah.
oh, so those who have just saw the calendar, they are able to join. None of the guys who got the mail.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No mail received.
But I cross check with them. They told that they sent the mail. I mean, I don't know. That's I will see that.
Maybe in 1 hour it will come up. Sometimes the mail is not very fast.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, chalo. So we'll start in 2 minutes. I think people will join little bit. I mean, I know the strength is around 30, no? I mean, now it's a 24. Okay, good. So what? How a dictionary is tough?
Questions.
I mean, dictionary is a little bit tough compared to list. What do you say, guys? No, easy.
It is difficult, but it is, once we understand, it is easy to proceed with pseudocode.
True, sir. Yes. You can understand properly. It will be not difficult.
So I think almost everybody came. Is it? No, 20. Almost those who are,
27.
yeah. So regular. So
So
two
is
are
this
my.
not recording in YouTube, sir?
I think it will be updated to the YouTube, but it is not live now. So you guys can ask answer. I mean, you can ask without any hesitation, because if there is a live, no, people feel hesitated to talk. So that's why, like, once it is done, then maybe it will go to the YouTube. But currently, I think it is not live. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is recording, but not live.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So let us start then. Yeah. So I'm sharing my screen. My screen is visual, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I will use this one then. Code for coding. Yeah. So is it clear? I mean, say, can you see my screen? I mean,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
okay.
Yes, sir. We can hear, we can see the screen, but your audio is breaking in between.
Is it,
No, it's not breaking for me.
what about now?
It's very clear. It's
Clear,
not
sir.
breaking.
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah. So my question is that, okay, why dictionary? I mean, why dictionary? We already had list. We studied list, no, already. Why extra again? Introducing a new data type, which is dictionary. What is the need of that one? So we had already list. A list was how it looks like. L is equal to something, 1 comma, and those who are not talking, please mute. I can see Chetan Singh. Can you please mute? Yeah, that's good, Raman. Let us say IATM. Then 0. What is the need of list? I mean, what is the need of dictionary then? What things we cannot do in list? Can anybody tell me?
Sir,
One by one, please raise your hand and let's talk. Please raise your hand first and uh, don't feel, I mean, say I will say something because this is the learning first class, or this is just the beginning of a dictionary. So I don't feel that any question or anything is like a silly doubt or anything. For me, every doubt is the same level. I mean, okay. So Aditya Mishra want to say something. So my question was that why we need a dictionary? We already had list, and what we cannot do in list. Yeah, Aditya Mishra. Aditya, are you able to hear me? We can't
Hello,
hear you. Yeah. Hi, Aditya.
okay. So dictionary, when you want to access actually values using keys, then dictionary is used. This is the limitation of list. We cannot access the value using the key. So there is key value pairs in dictionary.
Yeah. So what is the advantage of that one? I mean, the list. Why? See, in dictionary we introduce extra thing, so that if you use something extra, you are making little bit more complex. So like in a model or anything, if you introduce more number of parameters, obviously your model is not easy. It is becoming complex. If you have less number of parameters, your model will be very easy. So that's why I'm telling why list we had no key value pair concept. In dictionary we have key value pair. So what things we cannot do in list? I mean,
So basically, actually, it is complicated. I mean, there is extra parameter, but it helps us to actually, I mean, get a value using the key which is associated with the value. Okay, so if you want to associate, I mean, a key to a value, so in that case, it is useful.
I mean, you are saying to access the elements of a dictionary, you can use using through list. A key.
Yes,
And the same thing I can do in list. No, I can also access the value using as we from the beginning. I can get the any element of the list.
Sir, the advantage of a dictionary here is you don't have to go through the entire dictionary. As soon as you put the key value, you get the value.
Correct.
But
yeah,
in a list, if you want the last element, you need to go through the whole list.
yes. So this is the reason we see. Let us say thank you. Who was the guy?
Jacob, sir.
Jacob. So guys, one request to you guys, please write your actual name. I mean, in your this Zoom ID, no? So Zoom, no? So
Yes, sir. It took my Gmail ID. That's why.
yeah. So, but you can update because I want to remember these names, and also means we need to give some data to the admin side, like what the guys active, how they are performing, and we also give some times what is that uh, uh, grace marks, something like if they are lagging with 1 marks for a grade S from A to S, we give. So please write your actual name. That will be good.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Chalo. See. Yeah.
Yes,
so
I do that.
dictionary. So that is the reason, like dictionary, why we need, because if you want to access the elements of a list, let us say if you want to access this one, so we have to read from here first element, second element, and then we are able to read the third element. Let us say you have a list with the element of 100. Then if you want to read the 90th element of that particular list, you have to read first 89 elements, and then you will go to the 90th elements. This is the demerit or disadvantage of the list. Chalo. So dictionary, how it looks like. So dictionary, for creation dictionary, I mean creating a dictionary, you need a thing called key value. Key value pair. My screen is visual, or should I increase the font size? Is it?
it's
It's
visible.
visible.
Visible, sir, visible.
So key value pair is required. I mean, just a minute. Yeah. So dictionary, I mean, dictionary is a collection of a element that is stored as a key value pair. So how it will look like? I mean, so I just give you example. I mean, so let us say dictionary D1. You have a list. I mean key. So what is the key? Key can be of any data type, and value can be of any data type. So I mean, if I want to write like this key, let us say a 1 is to, I mean, so 0 is to, let's say start from 1 actually. Yeah. So 1 is to, and how we write, I just tell you, IIT. Then next we have second place, some IIT B, I think. No? Why it is coming this one? Okay, IIT B. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So like that, third position, some IIT. Okay. Yes. Third is IIT D. Chalo. So see how we write a dictionary. So dictionary, here dictionary D is the, D1 is a dictionary in which you have a key. Key is 1 and which is separate. A key value is separated by a column. This one. This is called column, no? Or semicolon.
It's colon, sir.
Yeah, column. So this is column, and this is key, and this is value. So corresponding D key, you have corresponding value. Let us say another key which has 2, and this is another value. So can you see that key is also a data type? Can you see that this is the data type of which one? I mean, integer.
Integer.
But the value can be of any data type. So here it is a string. It can have anything. I mean, just so this is the simple I have written. It can be like this also. I mean, just see that what I'm writing here. I have A, this value is 0. I have B, and it can have 1. Now, if I write here something called 4, it can have A, B, C. Can you see this? I mean, here, what is the key here? What is the key?
A, B, and 4.
A character.
and
But corresponding
integer.
value is what?
Integer.
Integer.
Here is a character also, value is integer.
A,
Here
B,
is
C,
the key here,
A, B.
Integer and string.
integer. And what is the value here?
String.
It's a string.
Okay, good. So can you see this? The key value pair can be of any data type. Understood? Now, now come here. I mean, this is you remember that in list let control V. I am writing another dictionary D, and control X, control V, comma. So in list, what I have explained to you that like 1, 0, 5, and another list L2, it is 0, 1, 5. Are list L1 and L2 are same?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
The orders are different.
Order
Here.
is different.
Here lists L1 and L2 are different, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Whereas,
Yes.
can you see that dictionary D1 and dictionary D3? What is the difference between dictionary D1 and D3?
Order.
Order is different.
Order.
Different.
Order I have just changed. So what do you think dictionaries D1 and D3 are same
Same, sir.
or
Same.
Same, sir.
different?
Same.
sir.
Same.
So remember, these are same in dictionary. So what did you see here? So in dictionary order is not important. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember, everybody is getting what I'm trying to say.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Only few people are speak. That doesn't mean that everybody. So please, those who are not speaking, also, please sometimes whenever asking, please speak. Yeah. So in dictionary, order is not important. I mean, why I has said that dictionary D1. If you see that this has appeared at first position, whereas D3 here is appeared at second position. But still, I'm saying that dictionary D1 and D3 are same. Means in dictionary order is not important. ठीक है? Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
still here?
Yes.
No, sir. No doubt.
Good. So can store of any duplicate. Okay, now see that. One more thing. I'm writing another dictionary. So
So no audio, sir.
sorry. What happened?
He's saying no audio.
Audio is not coming.
No, sir.
Yeah.
It is fine.
It is clear.
It's fine, sir.
2 minutes. So I have written here Gita, but in North India, like T-A means Gita, but in South India means it should be T-H-A. No, guys? From South.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what should I write? It's okay, no? I mean, you guys understand.
okay the way
I
Okay,
haven't
sir.
written
It's
Gita, so it's actually Gita. Still, I mean, I can write in both, but still, yeah. So what did you see here? I mean, and D4. Can you see this? Keys,
Yes, sir.
Ram, but corresponding value is
1.
Mohan. Corresponding value is
1.
1.
One
One.
again.
can it be possible? I mean,
Yes, sir. Values
Yes,
can be
sir. Value can be
duplicated, but
same.
keys cannot.
yeah. So this is value can be duplicate, but the keys can't be. I mean, I'm writing here. I mean, one position. This one is. I think this is best. I mean, if I'm writing here. And ठीक है चलो. So what do you see here? In D5 for one like key, Ram is there. For same key, Mohan is there. So this is
Not a dictionary.
It's not possible, sir.
Invalid
Wrong.
error.
not a dictionary. This
Not
is
a dictionary.
ठीक है.
Then it's record.
Key. Oh my God. So where record is coming here? I am just talking about dictionary. Record is actually a dictionary itself. So
Okay, sir.
do you know the definition of record? I mean, do you
In
remember?
week 1, you tell that.
Yeah, I told that, but I didn't tell that this is the case. But please, if you don't know things, no, please don't say, because you will be in confusion after some time.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, it's no problem. Yeah. So
So record is a list of lists, right?
no. So record is actually representing a dictionary.
Dictionary of dictionaries.
Yeah.
Sorry, sorry.
So here
Yes, sir.
key cannot we have. So for a, so what I'm kind of for a dictionary, key
Must be unique.
cannot be duplicate, or it should be
Unique.
it should be unique, but values can be duplicate. ठीक है? Remember
Yes,
that.
sir.
Remember.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next is what? Where
So
is-
can we have duplicate values in list?
Yeah. That I have explained. No.
Yeah, yeah.
Here.
Just that order matters, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. So where I was? Yeah. Yeah. And for initializing now a little bit. Yeah. So for initializing a dictionary, what you should do? This one. So for a list, what we are doing actually for initializing a list?
Square brackets.
An empty list.
Square
Yeah.
bracket.
Empty square brackets.
Anna?
Yes, sir.
Now let us say another dictionary. So are you guys writing this one also, or you can write later? I mean, that is also good enough. I'm
Notes,
writing
sir. Making notes, sir.
I'm making notes.
India. No, this will be okay. Tamil Nadu. Inside. Or should I write a okay? Simple choose I write A. No big. No. Simple. I mean, it should be also that's one little bit. Yeah. So I'm writing maths and how much he got marks. Something, let us say 80.
70.
Then physics. Tell me something.
90.
70.
85. I mean, you have to tell fast. Chemistry.
87.
87.
90.
90.
87. Okay.
Yeah. Next, I have another key, something called Gita.
Mo-
Gita. And in which, again, same thing. Let me write only this so that it will be coming in one. So I have written M. Okay? This I can in double inverted comma or single inverted comma, doesn't matter, no? Because if I'm writing in single inverted comma, what it will be?
Character.
Character.
Yeah. So I'm just writing maths and tell me how much she got. Let us say 90.
75.
She's the top.
Okay, 90. Okay. Oh, okay.
X 97.
Yes. Yeah, good. Now the
Chemistry 92.
92. Okay. I thought that you will say 100.
We can't score 100.
Sir, 100 can be scored in chemistry. It's not history.
No, but the type of question paper IITM gives us, they can't score.
Okay. So can you see this? What is the element? This one? Which type of data type?
String.
String.
String, sir.
And so this is a key. What is the corresponding value you have? Another?
Another
Dictionary.
Dictionary.
Another dictionary.
This is also a key, but corresponding another?
Dictionary.
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 Can you say dictionary inside dictionary?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is called
Nested dictionary.
Nested dictionary.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till now clear everything?
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this will go little bit complex. So till now it is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. Now one thing we have defined. Keys is a function which collects keys of a dictionary. So how it will be, I tell you. So let us say if I'm writing keys of, and keys is only defined for dictionary, remember. So if I'm writing keys of D7, so what do you think? And it will be like it returns like keys returns. I mean, just
List.
write the definition actually. Returns list of
The keys.
list of keys of a dictionary. Okay, so this will be like what?
Square bracket.
Ram
Gita.
Gita.
Ram and Gita.
List.
Ram
Gita. Geeta.
Geeta. Sorry, Geeta. What do you think? Keys of D7 I'm writing. Okay. No, I'm not writing here. I'm writing here itself. Or Geeta and Ram. Can both are returning a list of keys. What do you think? This list and this list both are same?
Yes,
No.
yes.
Is it?
Yes, cause list is
It's
no.
same.
No, sir.
Yes.
List.
Remember, no.
No,
What
sir.
remember,
No, sir.
So list
List it on
like
order
order
matters.
does important.
Order doesn't matter,
So
right, sir?
remember so
for
what I
list
have
it
asked,
does matter actually.
List.
so what I have written here, I mean, I have asked that this list and this list both are same.
Different.
No, sir.
No,
Order
sir.
is
The
different.
order is different.
Yeah, so therefore the both lists are not same.
Not same.
Yes.
They are different.
So
But the
what do you
dictionary
think?
is same.
So what do you think? Which one is correct? This one is correct or this one is correct?
First one is
Both are
correct.
same.
First one
Both
is
are
correct.
same.
First one
Both
is
are
correct.
right.
Yes, sir. Can we say
Both
assume
are
that
correct.
the
one by one.
yeah, it depends on the pseudocode that we write.
Okay, so you are
So-
saying that, I mean, okay, so another interesting thing came here. Control C. Karthik, no?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Control V. What he's trying to say that, sorry, this guy, Control X, okay, and so just now you said that order is not important. So this list and sorry, this dictionary and this dictionary are same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same, no? So you are saying that order is important. So Ram and Geeta for this dictionary and Geeta and Ram for this dictionary, then how it can be different? I mean, if dictionaries are same, then this and this,
So same, sir.
yeah. So
Sir, the value for
Yeah.
which output is coming like
okay,
first
okay.
one for Ram, the output is Geeta, but in second one,
So I'm writing something here. Just
I have
remember.
a question on this.
Yeah, listen for 1 minute for me, and then I
Okay.
answer your question. So both are correct. So keys of D7 will return the keys of dictionary. Here order is, it can be come in any order, because you are saying that you are just following one strategy that, yeah, first which are coming at the beginning, that will be written as a first and second will be written as here. But in case of dictionary, what happens? Both dictionary are same. So some will say that no, I have written this one, Geeta and Ram. So this is also correct. This is also correct. So keys of D7 will return the list of keys, but order can be in anything. I mean, order doesn't matter here, but the individual, if you talk about list, but then these lists will be different. But keys of D7, if I ask that, then I will say this is also correct and this is also correct. Understand? So remember, individual, if we talk about, I don't know what is this return value, but if I individually compare this list and this list are same, no, these are different. But if I say that keys of D7, what it will return? So it can return this one also, or it can return this one also. Both are correct for the keys of D7. Any doubt?
No, sir.
no, sir.
Okay, so if you have any doubt, please raise your hand and ask the doubt.
So sir, basically whatever we store in the dictionary,
Mhm.
the keys can be like shuffled up when we just return the keys, right?
Yeah, if you
The
return,
output.
yeah, so if you write the function keys, and then it can give list of keys, all keys will give, but order, in which order it will give, we don't know, but it should contain
Oh.
all the keys of the given dictionary.
Okay.
So that's why I'm saying, this list is also correct, this list is also correct. Okay,
So, sir, that,
Yes.
that, I mean, whenever I was trying to ask you a while ago, this was my question. So output is not known, like which order it would give us the list of keys. Okay, got it, sir.
Any
It can be random or it can be ordered also, sir, the keys.
sorry, can you
All
please-
the keys will be present, but it will be random.
Yes, yes,
We cannot
it
estimate.
can be of any order. Yeah. It will
Sir, I
return
have doubt.
it will return the elements in any order. It will return the elements in any order of the given list. Yes. Yeah. Who is
Right.
having doubt?
Hello.
Yeah, Darash.
Yes, sir.
Darash, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Darash. tell.
Sir, I'm asking that in dictionary, when we input key, then it returns us the value. So in both the cases, keys and values are not different.
Keys and values are. No, I didn't get it. Your voice was breaking, so can you please repeat? Sorry, I can.
One second, sir.
Others, please be quiet. No? Be mute. Yeah. Yeah, Darash. tell.
Sir, I am saying that in for first one the key is RAM and the value coming out is Gita. But for second one the key is Gita and value coming out is RAM. Then they should be different.
No. So keys were, see here, keys are Ram and Gita. See this dictionary, and both are same. No, these are both are same. No, what you are asking, I still didn't get, but just listen. If it is not clear, let me know. So you are saying that for this one, Ram and Gita, both the lists, both are dictionary are same actually. I have already explained that order is not important in case of dictionary. So that's why the keys of D7 can return list of keys in any order. Both are correct. This is also correct and this is also correct. To make you understand that, I have just written that, yeah, Ram and Gita, and first I wrote Gita and Ram, both are representing same dictionary. So that's why I told that like it can be written if you are thinking that the first key will be at the first position, second key will be second position. That's why I've written the Gita and Ram. You can write like this, but this is not a logic to make you understand. I've just written it because dictionaries are same. Yeah. Your doubt is clear, Daresh, or still you having doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
yeah,
like
Abhishek.
one small doubt, sir.
Yeah, just a minute, Karthik. Abhishek has raising. Please
Oh,
raise.
sure.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, Abhishek. What's your doubt?
So, sir, in keys D7, the string we pass is RAM. So we will store first the value of RAM values like M80 and physics 80 and chemistry 90.
No,
And
that I haven't gone that level here, but I'm just worried about, or I'm just talking about the keys of the dictionaries. Wow, I will
Yes.
get the values. How can I get the value? That I will tell you in coming.
Okay, but these both are correct. We can write these dictionaries in any order. This is what you are saying, sir.
Yeah, but the return value of function keys, it will return the keys of dictionary. It can return in any order. That's why I told, no, it can have any order, this one and this one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, can I ask now?
Yes, please.
Yeah, sir. When we iterate through a particular dictionary, so
I haven't reached to the iteration. I will go through.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I will go through. I just I have defined how to. Now I have to go for the accessing the element of a dictionary. So till now, anybody is having doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, no
you
doubt
can
till
go
now.
ahead.
Okay, good. So I'm going to move to the next thing. Yeah. What is that? Yeah, keys of D. See, that is what it is written here. Sorry. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
C, 1, 2, 3 can return either A, B, C, A, C, B, B, C, A, B, A, C, B, like that. Hai na? It can return in any order, but it should have all the keys of the dictionary. So that's why dictionary doesn't preserve the order. Therefore, keys can return the list of keys in any order. Now another thing, the is key function, how it works and how it does stated. Yes. So now another thing I have defined something called is key. So these keys and is key both are defined for the dictionaries. Always remember. So is key, what it does, I mean, sorry, D, let's say D comma, let us say I have written Ram. So you might remember something in list I have defined something called member function. Do you remember, guys, what it does?
Yes, sir.
What it
Yes, sir.
does?
So we check if any element is a member of the list. If
Ah.
yes, then it would return true. Otherwise, it would return false.
Same thing we'll do here. L1 comma 10. Just a minute. Please don't answer anyone. I will just ask to someone. Those who have, yeah, Karan, are you able to hear me? Karan Sood. Karan Sood? Karan, are you able to hear me? No. Do not want to say, hey, this is not live recording. Why are you? Okay. It's okay. Kriti Srivastav. Kriti, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kriti, what will be the output of this one? If I have written member, you have list L1, and I have written comma tab. What it will be the return value?
False.
Okay, good. So what is that? This is the function defined for the list where we are checking in list L1 that element 10 is there or not. The same thing is used here in dictionary called is key. So what it does, it checks in dictionary D7 Ram is present or as a key or not. So what do you think this will return? So these are the Boolean output functions. So what is the
True.
value? True or false?
True.
Now I may write is key and I write D7, sorry, D7 comma 0. So is it, first tell me, is it defined or it is defined or undefined, or it will give error? Then you tell me it will give true or false. First you tell, can I write this one? I have this one. Can I write this one? So what
No.
is true?
Yes, we
it's a-
can
You can
write.
write that, but it will
It will
return
return
false.
false.
So how
It is
many are,
defined, but
yeah. So how
it
many are agree with? How many are not agree with? This cannot be. This will give a error. How many
yeah.
are?
I'm saying this will give error
Okay, Raz, Deepak, then
because
It,
it's name.
it will give error, sir.
please raise your hand. I wanna see. Yeah. So, oh my God, 5 people. Good. I'm also with you. It will give error. Now more participants should come there.
No, sir, I'm on the no other side. It will
No,
return
sir.
false.
It will return
sir.
false.
False.
Sir.
No,
Would
no,
return
It's
please.
defined,
false
but
because
it is
keys can be zero.
No. So I have asked only those to raise hand. Those who are with me. I am saying that this will give
Oh.
error.
Okay.
Okay, please mute yourself, guys. Yeah. So we have 4 people. Indal, Rajdeepak. Now someone has. Okay, Aditya Mishra, Karthik are with me that they are saying that this will give error. So what I want to tell her, I'm also wrong because this will. What it is, let's just understand the meaning. What it is actually saying that. So D7 is a dictionary. This is a, what is that? A key. Integer data type can be a key or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it
can be.
Can be, but for this dictionary,
Yeah.
this should be name.
Yeah, so for this dictionary, 0 is not a key, therefore it will give false.
False.
What is there?
Okay, false.
For this key, for this dictionary, D7 is not the key, no? Therefore it will give false. The same thing I was doing, no? I mean, see, member list L1 can have any member, but they, for the timing, list L1 doesn't have the element 10. That's why it is giving false, no? So the same thing, dictionary D7, Ram is the key, therefore it is giving true. 0 is not a key, therefore it is giving false. What is the, now tell me another thing. Control C, Control V.
Sir, a small doubt
Yeah,
regarding this.
I just give me a second. Now tell me whether it will, can I write like this? My screen is visual. So can I write like this? It will give error or not? How many?
False.
No error, sir.
Again, false.
I have written like this.
No error.
I have made it. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With me?
Double quotes,
Yes,
right,
sir.
sir?
Sorry,
You should write in double quotes, right?
I can write in single quote. Why? Why not? I cannot write.
Okay.
So you're defining it as a character.
Yeah. So it is
Okay,
true
sir.
or false?
False.
False.
False. Yeah.
False. Because 0 is not present there.
How many have not understood this one? Please raise your hand, then I will make you understand. How many? Indal, you haven't understood this one?
No, sir, I understood.
Okay, so since you, Vijay Geeta. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so did you not understand this one?
Sorry, I'm unable to understand why this is a false.
So what I was thinking here, I mean, see, dictionary D7 is there. That you know, where is the dictionary D7? This is the dictionary.
Yes, sir.
What are the keys of this one?
Ram, Gita, Gita, Ram.
Yeah, Ram and Gita only. I mean.
Okay, sir.
So what it does check, I mean, this is key function, it checks that it is dictionary D7 0, which is defined as a character data type, is a key or not. If it is a key, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false.
False.
So what do you think that 0?
It's not in the dictionary.
Yeah, not a key.
Not a key. Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah,
Which
so
means
keys,
its output is false.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Chetan?
So for my second argument, I can pass any type of data type, and it will either return true or false depending on whether that's present in the dictionary or not. But
As
if
a
I
key
don't,
or not,
yeah. But if I don't provide it the second argument, will it return error?
Yeah, Mr. That is key function. You are saying that he will write simply like this.
Is key D7. Will it return error?
Okay. Chalo. Yeah, he is saying that is. So see, thing is that is key function is defined for 2 input parameters. If we call this guy with only 1 input parameter, what do you think this will work?
I think it should return error because I haven't provided it second.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not defined for only one thing. It will ask for the, you should be entering the another input parameter.
Sure.
Yeah, someone has doubt while I was writing this one. Who was the person? I mean, no doubt till here. Everybody is clear on this?
Clear, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
I have
Clear,
one
sir.
doubt.
Yeah, who is this? Arnav.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
if we put Ram in single inverted commas, then it will return error, right?
Yes. Why?
Then we're defining it as character, I think.
Control V. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So why it will return error, Arnav?
Because it is defining it, we're defining it as character, but the keys are in strings.
No. Here, thing is that you cannot write Ram with a single inverted comma. If it is only single character, then for character data type, it should be write in single inverted comma. It is a sequence of character, so you cannot write with a single inverted comma. It should be always written in double inverted comma.
Okay.
Hannah, guys?
Yes.
Good. Yeah. Sarita, you have doubt? No.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so please mute yourself if you are not having doubt. Yeah, now where to go? Let me see that what is there next. Yeah, okay. So now I have to access the how we can access the elements. Now this is is key. We have defined something. Yeah. Yeah. So now we have want to access the elements. I mean, you have dictionary. Let us say D1. Sorry, D1. You have not D1. What number we are following now? D8.
8.
Yeah. D8. Something. Let us say. Okay, very small. I mean, just write in 0 position and something called. What should I write? That's why I want to see the pseudocode to get the actual physical data. So 0 position, what can I write? Or what?
So you can take any city names or whatever, anything.
Yeah, chalo. CT Chennai, but it will be Chennai. Then second, tell me.
Bengaluru.
Tell me.
Patna, sir.
Okay, Patna. Then tell me.
Lucknow.
Yeah, by the way, I'm from Patna.
I know, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next.
So I'm too. I'm from also Patna.
Delhi.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, Delhi. Okay. So now this one we have. I want to access the elements. So if I write D8, how we can access the elements of dictionary using key. So if I write 3 in, can you see that how I'm writing dictionary with a key? What is that? What will be the value it will come here?
Delhi.
Double quote Delhi.
Delhi.
Okay. If I write D7 RAM, what do you think it will come?
So the
Maths, physics, and
the
chemistry
second part of the
marks.
dictionary would be returned under RAM.
Just I'm bringing this guy to a next page. Chalo. Yeah. So I want to access.
So it will return the dictionary of the RAM.
Can I see
Yes,
this?
sir. That part.
So
that part.
that's
Yes, sir.
And now I want to. So this is another. So can you see this? This is representing another dictionary. So in further, I want to access the element. What I'm trying to say, I want to write the mathematics marks. How I will write? So in dictionary, this is your dictionary.
Square bracket.
In which you, if you want to access the maths marks, remember what it will be?
80.
So can you see
80.
this? This was a dictionary in which you have the key. So can you see this? There are 2 keys. So how we'll check that? In dictionary D7, first key you have to look at the RAM. Then inside RAM, another key is that. What is that? Aim. You are going to here. If I write here D7, but this is pretty straight. I mean, I want to write something. So D9. Let me write a little bit complex thing. So, okay. Yeah, what should I write? Okay, chalo. I'm writing A as a key, then something 0. Okay. Now one position.
Sorry, for one we can define a list.
Yes, good. We can write like this. Anything.
Before it has to be flower bracket.
before? Yeah, correct. Thank you. I'm writing 7. Another keys. E.
So we can define A and then A is storing a list.
Hmm?
A and the value of A is again list, so like that.
Yeah. So can you see this? Their elements. So first of okay, as people will tell now. Keys of D9. Okay. And one more. Let me introduce. In 2017, it also came at first position. 2018 also, it came at first position, I think. In any ranking something. Chalo. So this is the yes. Now, if I write keys of D9,
So
what
there
is
is
the
A7
A7
IITM.
IITM.
Yeah,
someone? Okay.
7.
IITM.
The C
Yeah.
will also be a key, right?
Okay. So how many are agree with this? Or it can have any order, no? Order is not important, so it will come IITM maybe first. Hai na?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Sir, your keys means this A7 IITM. These are.
These are the key, no? This one.
But no, it
sorry.
can be written like this. I was just asked.
How?
Write like you write it.
Which one? Yeah.
This one. Yes.
This, yeah, yes. Any. That's why it can have another order, no? Maybe this will come 7 at a
7
first.
come
Order is not important here. It can have any order, but the all keys should be available in the list as an element. Now, yeah, just a minute. Sorry. D9. Okay, right, like. What is the value of this one?
AC.
AC.
Sorry?
AC.
That's a whole dictionary.
and C.
Or CA.
Guys, are you get adjustment? Someone else will now little bit going complex.
I didn't understand that, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I got it.
It's my doubt, sir, actually.
Yeah. So dictionary is not an easy thing to understand. Now
2017 and
2017.
2018.
2017, 2018.
2017, 2018.
Yeah.
Okay. So think that why I have written. I mean, so keys inside it will be always a dictionary. Inside always will be a dictionary.
Yes,
Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, think that. So those who are having doubt, no, just 1 minute break. Think in yourself and just try to understand what I have written. Okay, chalo. 1 minute break. Think. Write on your notebook and try to understand.
Sir, a small doubt regarding the previous question we were doing about D7. To access
D7.
yeah,
D7.
yeah. To access the list, we wrote D7 bracket RAM bracket M. And suppose if I add one more bracket, I write in that one or something else. Yeah. So will the code return me error or it will return me nothing?
Because error because inside another dictionary is not there. If another dictionary is there, then if this will be correct, might be correct, because maybe one may or may not be the key, but you cannot write, no, because further there is no key. That's the value. I mean, can you see?
I just wanted to know whether it will return error or it will return nothing. because there is nothing. Okay, sure.
Error. Yeah. Now think that why, how these two are correct. Think. Just give me 1 minute. Okay.
Because first we are asking to access the keys of D9, and D9 we are asking the keys of 7.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Break is over. How many have understood? Those who have doubt, or those who have still doubt?
Understood, sir. Understood, sir.
Understood. Understood, sir.
Understood.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Pratyush and Kriti still have doubt. Okay.
So
Sir,
I have
I
just
actually
one.
have doubt.
One by
Okay.
one, please. Yeah. Yeah. Pratyush.
Yes, sir. So I just wanted to ask, sir, if in keys D9, can we take all the keys like that are present in it, like A and 2017 are also keys. Can we take that value, or will we just take the first value of the first keys?
Only first. Why? Because you have called this guy, and for
Yes,
this
sir.
dictionary D1, which are the keys?
Thank you, sir. That's all I want.
But when we write as a D9 7, this is
Yes, sir.
actually representing which are the thing. So see, I mean, why I have written, like, if I write this one, Control C, Control V. If I write this one, Kriti, what will be the output of the D9 7?
So
The whole dictionary of
1 and
7.
78.
Yes,
A and
the whole
C.
dictionary.
Sorry, not the dictionary, the key. A
1
and
and
C.
78.
This one, no.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir. The whole
I mean, see,
whole dictionary.
I have called D9 7. So this is
Oh, yeah.
actually a dictionary D9 corresponding key 7. What is the value? This is the value, which is actually representing a dictionary. And for this dictionary, I have used the function called keys. So for this, what are the keys of this dictionary D9 7?
A, C.
A and C. Kriti?
Yes, sir.
Understood. So the same
Yes.
thing, like if I write D9 IITM, if I write here, what do you think? What will the value of this one? D9 corresponding key IITM. These are the values. Anna?
Yeah.
This is the value. And what are the keys of this one? Why? Because I have called this guy keys to know the keys of this dictionary. And for the keys of dictionary, yeah, 2017 and 2018. Any doubt? Kriti?
Sir, I actually have a doubt in the D7 where we are accessing.
D7, tell me.
Yeah, I
D7
was just
RAM.
wondering.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes.
I was just wondering if we want to access the values for maths for both Ram and Geeta, then would it be okay to write D7 Ram Geeta M, or do we
No.
have to write Ram M Geeta M?
You have to write individually. I mean, because you have to, for the Gita, you have to write here.
No, what I mean is, can we call both values together?
No.
Can we call two values at a time? No.
No, because the way is different. How I tell you, first you are calling to Ram, then it will Ram, and then inside you are going. Understand? If you are calling D7 Gita, then it will not look this guy. Where you will go? You will come here. And then inside, what is the key? Another you are checking M. That's why you have written here, and this will be 90. The path is different, no? I mean, first you have called this guy, then how you can go enter in this one? Because Ram you have called, then Ram, and then inside what are the keys for that value you want? Aim. So this is the one. You cannot call together and with the same key. That is the uniqueness of this
No,
dictionary.
not with same key, but is there any process to call both of the values together?
No. How we will call? No. You have to use the keys because both are representing a unique values. I mean, unique keys. Unique keys you cannot use call with the same key. I mean, these are the unique things. No, Ram and Aim and Gita M. These are two unique combinations. You cannot call with unique combination with one.
Okay, understood, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, Abhishek, you have doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in keys D9 square bracket string IITM, what we are actually doing is first we reach to the dictionary D9, right? Inside the D9, we take the key as IITM. And this will gives the, because we are writing keys outside D9, so it will gives us the keys 2017 and 2018.
Yeah, because this is representing a dictionary.
Yeah,
Anna,
right.
If I write here like this, now tell me, is it keys D9? What is that? A.
It is A7 and IITM.
What will be the value of this one?
It will return, sir, 1, 2, 3.
List
in
1, 2,
square
3.
bracket.
Yes, sir.
What? Okay. Abhishek, what it will return? 1, 2, and 3. Is it?
It will give a list of 1, 2, 3.
Okay. How
It
many?
will
Yes, sir.
return
Okay.
errors.
Just a minute. How many are with Abhishek? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. How many are with? I'm also with Abhishek.
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay. So Abhishek. Okay. So these are the Abhishek, Aditya, Karthik, Pratap, Chetan, and Chetan. All are wrong, including me, because I also told this is correct. So all are wrong. Why? Because this is
There are no keys. A is the last key.
So there are no keys inside A.
what I have told you. Always
okay.
remember the first concept that keys is only defined for what? Dictionary. And what do you think that D of 9A will return?
So
It's
the
a list actually. So error.
So this is actually a representing a list. How can you use keys function for a list? No, you cannot use.
Okay, sir.
This will be error. Agree, everyone?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
That is just a value.
Yeah. Understood. So always remember that keys and is key functions are defined for what? Dictionary. So inside dictionary should be there. And calling a dictionary, calling these functions, there is a something parameter restrictions are there. You cannot have with only one. It should always have a dictionary and then separated by another data type value, which will tell that for this each key, if ram is a key for dictionary D7, it will return to, otherwise false. Same thing for keys function, inside should be always a dictionary and it will return the list of keys in any order. Agree? That summary for this, what I have talked about till now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Okay, so I left anything?
So
I
for
have
the keys, parameters can be one or more than one parameter. We can, depending on the nested dictionary for the keys.
I didn't get parameter for which one? Keys or
for keys? Only for keys.
For keys.
Suppose there is only one dictionary. There is no nested dictionary. It will be. We have to give only one parameter.
So see, two things I have written keys of D9 also are keys of D97 also. What do you think that? So these inside will be always a dictionary. Whether it is nested, I don't care, but it will always give the dictionary keys for dictionary D9. Here I am saying that then it will return the keys of dictionary D97. Understand?
Right, sir.
So for dictionary D9, what are the keys actually? So outer keys A7 IITM. When I talk about this guy D97, then I will first check what is the keys of dictionary D97. So D9 corresponding key is there what? 7. Inside, what are the keys actually? A and C. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah. So I think dictionary concepts are almost over. For more complexity, I will.
So just one small question. So
Yes,
if I look for D9 of 8, I mean
D9 of 8.
8, yeah, D9 of 8. I mean, in the square bracket, I give 8. So I hope it will be error or it will be null.
D9, where D9 you are writing?
Yeah, D9 square bracket, make it 8.
8, this one.
Yeah, this one. So will it be error or null?
So, do you think so? 8 is a key for dictionary D9?
No, it's not there.
So no meaning at all. It will error only. No, you haven't defined.
Okay, it is error. Okay,
Yeah.
that's what I just want to check if it's an error or it will return any null or something.
Yeah, null is nothing. I mean.
Okay, it will be error. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, good. So nested dictionary is nothing but a matrix that will you come to say lecture from week 9. Yes. Chalo. Don't go currently, but yeah, I'm just giving you an idea. How it will be, how we can write that I will explain in week 9. Okay. Now what I do, I just try to go through that question, one of the question. What is that? Practice assignment question. Okay. How to create, how to do, check these things. I mean, should I do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then you will go through all the question, try to do yourself, and then tomorrow you have a solve with instructor session. Okay. Chalo. Okay, so this is the code actually. Yeah, my screen is visible, no?
Yes,
Yes, sir, it's visible.
So I'm putting side by side. Yes. My screen is just still visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is week, what is that? Week 7, no?
Week 7.
Week 7.
Practice
assignment, question number 1. See how I do these questions. Try to just give some attention, then you are ready to do. Chalo. So this is like the following pseudocode is executed using the scores data set. Okay? A scores data set you remember, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
will B represent? So it is asking that what is B will represent. Okay? I also don't know. I have to check that what these going to represent. So as soon as you see the pseudocode is visible to you guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's completely fine.
Okay, good. So it is first what we have done, we have created a initialize a variable called d with a
Empty dictionary list.
which is a empty dictionary. Okay. Okay, so what it is doing, the first part of the code is actually it is creating a dictionary D. How dictionary will look like? Just see. So can you see this? What are the things we are checking actually here? So we are checking physics, town, city. The two variables we are only having. Physics marks and corresponding town or city. Okay. Chalo. So we are going through that. So table 1 has so where it has opened line number 2 and where it has closed line number 13. So as soon as
13.
You have to read this. Okay. This is the like you have to say codes are there. You have to what difference you have to break into a small parts. Okay. Chalo. As soon as you will see the first row X, what you will do, you will check is key. Now come here. So you have initialized D here. And okay. So I just assume some data. Data is what? Let us
marks of the students.
CHE Chennai. I mean, I'm writing
marks.
Chennai correspond. The first student is from Chennai whose physics marks is 90 or let us say 60. Okay. Next student is from Patna whose physics marks is let us say 70. Okay. Then next is Chennai again. Chennai girl is there whose physics marks is 80.
So aren't city and marks are key value pairs? Shouldn't they be in columns?
Sorry.
City and physics marks, they are key value pairs, right?
That will come to know. I haven't created.
Okay.
So
Okay,
I'm
sure.
that is correct what you have said. But yeah, first let others to understand. I am just giving a actual data so that they can understand how it will look like, how we can actually create a dictionary. Okay. Then next is let us say what is that? Delhi. And marks is how much?
87.
Sure. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Chalo.
Cochin.
Bengaluru, sir.
Jaipur.
Okay, next time. How much I should write? Tell me.
98.
98. Good. Okay, good. Yeah. So, so did you understand, guys, what I have written here, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. CT and
Yes,
marks.
sir.
Everybody is
Yes,
clear. So,
City and their
Yes,
physics
sir.
marks.
and why I have written only two things. If you see the sports data set, there are so many information. You remember? I mean,
So they have physics marks.
What
Yes,
is,
sir.
but
Year
only
names,
these two
names
are
and all that.
relevant here.
yes. I think today it will open sports data set. Yeah. So I'm going to do only one question today, and rest of things you guys have to do. Think tomorrow you have to attend the Solve with Instructor session. But I will do in very much detail so that you will not have any doubt. Yeah. So can you see this? There's so many information. You have sequence number, name, gender, these things, all the physics, chemistry, mathematics, total. All
Yes,
things are
sir.
there. But I'm only interested in town, city, and physics marks. Why?
Physics marks.
Why?
Code, because code is asking for that.
Yeah, in code we need only two information: physics marks and the CT. That's why I have written CT and physics marks. Okay? CT,
Right, sir.
physics mark. CT, physics mark. Meaning the first student is from Chennai, got 60 marks in physics. Second from Patna, 70. third chemistry 80, fourth Delhi 90, last one is Bengaluru 98. Okay? Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now we are coming to first time. If we are reading first, so what is the x you have? This guy is x. X is this one.
Chennai 60.
Chennai 60. We have this information. We are going. So what it is checking is key. Chalo. If each is key, just be with me for 5 minutes, then you will understand what I'm writing. It will be little boring, maybe.
No, sir.
Town, city. So what it is checking here, I mean, so this guy is key. What it is checking the D. So let me write is key. What is inside dictionary is the empty dictionary.
Empty dictionary.
And what is the city?
Chennai.
Chennai.
What do you think that in
False.
dictionary inside which has empty dictionary is the Chennai is
Sir.
key or not? Yeah, huh?
Why we always initialize the dictionary empty dictionary?
Yeah, because we don't know how the dictionary it will look like, no? Because based on the code, no, you will be able to create a dictionary, no? I mean,
Okay,
because
I understand. sir.
you have to store the data in a given, like what you do generally. I mean, before collecting water, what do you do? You already fill the bucket. We have to put it empty, no? Then you will go to collect the water, no?
Oh, yes, sir.
The
Got
same
it.
thing. Yeah. Okay. Chalo.
Thank you.
Yeah. So is key. Can you see this? This dictionary has any key chemistry? Sorry, Chennai.
No, sir.
What
It is
will
empty.
No,
return?
sir.
What it will return?
False.
False.
If this is false, where it will go?
Else.
Part.
Else
Else
part.
block.
Line number else block.
Line number 10.
Nine.
And what it will? What is there?
So one question.
Assign a key value pair.
Yeah.
So it's assigning.
Just a minute. X dot town and city. What is that? Chennai.
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 Equal to
Sorry, Chennai.
And the
And
city.
what is the corresponding value? X
60.
dot
60.
60, sir.
60. And you will come out and you will move X to table 2. So after moving the X to, how your dictionary D will look like? Your dictionary will look like this.
Chennai : 60.
So you have a dictionary, now it is updated with one element in which key is Chennai and marks is a corresponding value is 60. Your dictionary will look like this. Understood?
Sir, in line number 10, just D square bracket, it means that we are just adding Chennai in dictionary.
Yes, yes.
By adding the square brackets.
Yes.
And then
It is the
equal.
key value.
Okay. And after equal to, we will store the
Corresponding value.
Corresponding value. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So when we go next time, I mean, obviously you have more cards. So move X to table 2. Now this is closing bracket for while loop. Again, you will go and check. Table 1 has more. Yes, we have. And what is the next X we have?
Patna.
Patna 670.
I have
Patna
one
70.
question. Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Tell
Hello.
me. Yeah, tell me, Adit.
Yes, sir. So, sir, the is key, it has taken, I mean, 2 parameters. But
Yeah.
I mean, does it take only one?
Where were you? I have explained this one, man. See. You
Okay,
have a-
sorry. Okay. Got it. I had actually got confused. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, and also please watch the lecture. I think you haven't watched the lecture. Am I correct?
Sir, I have a little skipped the lectures.
Yeah, that's why. So see, thing is that if you know the concepts of programming, it's good. But thing is that the terminology should be knowing, because based on this, we are going to ask the question in quizzes or end set. So if you know the concept, it will be easy. It will take less time to understand. But thing is that you should be knowing the terminology. Terminology you are not going to learn without watching the lecture. Okay. Chalo.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So next X is what? Patna. Now it will come again. It will check. So now what we have is if this is key. Let me write itself.
Sir?
Yeah. Just give me a second. Yeah.
So B will represent the the state which of the student which have scored the maximum marks.
What's your name?
Are you explaining?
Sanjoli.
Wait.
Yeah, but I haven't reached there, Sanjoli. So
Yes,
please,
sir.
yeah. So I'm just going through line by line. If you know things, it's good. But
No, I was just confirming, sir.
yeah,
I
yeah.
haven't
That
done.
is explaining the problem.
Yeah,
He
but
hasn't
maybe
completed
I haven't checked the answers, Sanjoli. So I can't tell you.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
No, it's no problem. I mean, but I'm telling that I haven't reached that position to tell you that whether you are saying is correct or not. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. So now we have come here. Second card is Patna, and that guy is from Patna or girl is from Patna, and she got 70 marks. Let us see what is happening. So you came here, and you are checking is key D comma X dot city and town. So what you have done? D you have updated. No. Now you will check with this.
Yes, sir. Chennai 60.
And comma Patna. So Patna is a key for that dictionary. This one.
No, sir.
So it will be false.
False.
Again, it will come to the
False.
line number 10. And what it
10.
will be there?
It will add Patna and 70 in the D list.
So this will be now Patna, and this guy will be
70.
70. What do you think? Should I write? Okay. So
Anywhere.
anywhere
matter.
it will be okay, no?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now your dictionary has two elements. What are the keys? Chennai and
Chennai 60.
Patna.
Chennai Patna.
now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Who is this?
I'm Jay Geeta.
Vijay Geeta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vijay. Tell me.
Sir, when we add the Chennai 60 in the empty dictionary, why we not move to the line 15?
Line 15, because so can you see this? This is under these guys. These are under any loop or what? Some loop is there.
Oh, why loop?
Yeah. So without making it false, you cannot come out from this loop. So if table 1 has more rows, you have to keep going. If table 1 doesn't have any rows, then you will come out from this loop now.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yeah, good. Yeah. So yeah, I think Pratyush, you have doubt.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
I
please.
wanted to ask in the previous like DCHE is equal to 60.
Yeah.
So can we not because Chennai is the key twice. So can we take two values?
No, I haven't reached there. No.
Okay.
I haven't reached there. I have just finished 2 cards. I will
A
reach
question,
there in
sir.
next time. Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Okay,
Just-
so I'll later, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Just follow the sir. We will reach the answer.
Chalo. So now we have read that 2 and we have moved to this X to table 2. So this is actually in table 1. I have, and just a minute, these, sorry. Yeah. Table 2. So what we are doing actually, as soon as we are reading this guy, we were moving this guy to table 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now as you see that next is that I have moved to table 2 now. Now next if you see table 1 has more rows. Yes, we have, है ना? For the
Yes,
time.
Yes, sir.
Read the first row.
Chennai, Delhi, and Bangalore.
Now we have first row we have to read. So this is Chennai. Now it becomes Chennai is the first, no? The Chennai 80. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now again we'll come here. Now X we have what? Control C. Now X we have this guy. Okay. Now we are checking. Control C. Control V. So this guy we are checking. Chennai, and so I'm please I mean understood that this is written in double inverted comma. I'm just for the timing I'm writing.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, no problem.
Please.
Okay, sir.
And this is, we have updated in last one also. This is something.
Patna 70.
This is was Patna 70. So what do you think that this is
True.
true or false?
True.
True, sir.
True,
True.
sir.
Can you see this? What I'm checking in this dictionary, Chennai is key or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
just remember that this is actually in double inverted. Wherever not written, understood that this is double inverted comma. So what do you think? This is
Yes,
true?
sir.
True, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If it is true, then where it will go? If it is true, then it will go inside
Yes, sir.
Fifth line, sir.
fifth line. Everybody is with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
check x dot
Yes, sir.
physics. So now we are checking inside. So now if x dot physics is greater than d of x dot town, है ना?
Yes.
And what it is actually checking here. So can you tell me what is the number actually? X dot physics is what?
80.
80.
80.
80, sir.
And
80 greater than 60.
60.
just a minute. If I write dx dot town, x dot town is what?
Chennai.
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 So this is nothing but 80 I have written, and
Greater than 60.
greater than, if I, what is the value of this guy? D
60.
60. It's a column.
how
60.
are you checking? Because D is updated with this one, and the key is what? Chennai. So Chennai is, what is the value? 60. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So what do you think? This is true or false?
This is true.
True, sir.
True, sir.
So meaning, if it is true, then what it is going to do? You are going to update. How we are going to x dot city and town? What is that? Chennai.
Chennai.
With what? Current value of x dot physics. What is that? 80.
80.
80.
And if it
80.
is 80, now if it is done, then where it will come? Line number?
Oh, 12.
Correct. We will not go to the else part
So-
because this is true. It will come to the x part. Meaning after end of this line, how your dictionary will look like? Do we think that this is the okay? Just a minute. Just be with me, and maybe 80 or sorry, I used 0 and
60, 80. Right, sir?
which is correct? This dictionary,
Second one, sir.
your
Second
dictionary
one.
will look like this, or your dictionary will look like this.
Second,
Second
one.
one,
is correct.
80 and
Second
70,
one.
that one.
Because we have replaced the value of Chennai. This is actually representing some value, no? And what is the
Yes.
value? Earlier it was 60. Now it is
60.
replaced by 80. So this will be 80. This is incorrect in terms of many things, because two keys cannot be similar. Chennai,
Cannot be similar.
है ना? Same.
Yes, sir.
So, but can't one key have two values?
No, you cannot have.
Yes, sir.
For one, this is representing one variable. For writing two values, you have to use another thing. What is that? List or dictionary?
Yes, sir.
है ना? You cannot write with the same. So this is actually representing one value. No,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
this is replaced by, whenever this situation is true, you have to update the value. So
Okay.
did you understand what?
Sir, can I ask something?
Yes.
In D semicolon Chennai, how we get to know we have to check with Chennai, not with Patna?
Because the current value, what is the current value you have?
X,
Chennai, no.
yes,
what
sir.
is that X?
X dot Chennai, right?
Yeah. So current, you will check with the current value. No, you will not go for the previous value.
Okay, we will check for the current value in the
Current city is Chennai. Then why you will check with for the Patna?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, one by one, please raise your hand. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
Can I ask?
Yes, please.
Sir, in dictionary, keys are not changed. Only value keys is changed, but values are not changed. Am I right?
No, ulta. Keys are constant. Corresponding, you can update the value.
Keys are immutable. Am I right?
Yeah, keys, you can append the key. You can add key in this one with unique keys. So that's why this is used for the updating the unique. See what it is happening here. No, as soon as you come for the new city, it will come to here and you will update the dictionary with new key as a new city with the corresponding marks. If city is already present in that particular dictionary D, then what you will check? You will update the corresponding physics marks if it is greater than the previous value. So this is the previous value. No, I mean, corresponding city. You had already Chennai, which was 60, but the corresponding new value is 780. 80. So 80 is greater than 60. Therefore, we have updated the value for the Chennai is becoming now 80. So can you see that we haven't updated, we haven't changed the key because key is already present. So we need not to create further. We already present there. So what we have to do, we have to update the value of corresponding value, and this
corresponding key.
Corresponding key. That is what I have written. Corresponding key. We have updated the value. So this code is written for a dictionary. So dictionary D will look like a key as a CT and corresponding value the highest value for the given CT in physics. Understand what I'm trying to say there? As soon as
got it, sir.
So keys of dictionary D will be CTs of the data set, a sports data set, and what will be the corresponding value will represent the highest marks from that particular CT. That is what we are checking, no, greater than.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so people have a still doubt?
No, sir.
It's clear, sir. So basically,
Clear, sir.
The
Clear, sir.
updation and addition, both the syntax is similar in dictionaries, right?
Addition, yeah. If you want to say this is for the creating, you can see that, and to check the what is the value corresponding, you can see that. Yeah, if you can you see this? If this is the value actually represent, you have updated with this.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, if a next city will come Bangalore, Delhi, then again you have to now we will move this guy to the table 2. Then again Delhi will coming in the top, then Bangalore, like that. So finally your dictionary will look like how?
Yes, sir. It will have the another 2 values because they are unique.
Yes.
4 key value pairs.
Yeah. Corresponding the dictionary will look like. Next we'll have what is that?
Delhi.
Delhi.
Delhi 90.
It has 90.
Bengaluru 98.
Bengaluru
98.
98. So let us say another entry will come in which you have what is that? Sorry, where is that? Yeah, another entry will come where that Chennai student has 90. Then again it will be replaced by 90. No, this
Yes,
value. Hana? So like that it will be.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Let us say one more city is there. I mean, I have added one more city in which sorry. Yeah. So your dictionary is looking like this. Okay. Now another more city has come, which has tell me something. Kochi. Who is from Kerala?
I am there, sir.
Yeah. So I studied there in Kochi.
Who's that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So Kochi, let us say 98. So can you see there are so among all these cities, which are the highest city? I mean, physics marks getters from which cities? Bangalore.
Bangalore and
Kochi.
Now look at the next part of the code. So what we have done, we have A initialized at so this is not our. We have created a dictionary in which so dictionary creation everybody is clear what I have done in creating
Yes,
this
sir.
dictionary. If anybody
sir.
because after that you have to work on that upcoming problems. You have to submit the assignments. Till now it is clear, no?
So
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And this part I'm going to tell how we can access the elements. So chalo. So A we have initialized with a 0 and B we have initialized with a
Empty list.
empty list.
Empty
A is
list.
going to store only a integer data type and B is only going to store list. Okay? Chalo.
Yes, sir.
List.
Now look at. So for each in keys of D, now come here. I'm just keys of D.
you will have a list of all the keys. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the cities.
Chennai, Patna, Delhi, Bengaluru.
That's a
Kolkata,
list, right?
Yeah, list.
Yeah.
It can have any order, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any order.
Yes.
I'm writing in any order. Okay?
Right, sir.
Kochi, Patna.
Did we miss anything?
And we can use the
Delhi.
normal list commands here also, right? The
Delhi.
first, rest, and init and all last.
Yes, now you can use. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I? Okay. Yeah, you can. Yes, definitely. If once it become list, then you do whatever the operation you want to do.
Okay, sir.
I can write this one also. Member.
I can check the member. Okay.
Member. Then keys of. Yes, and this type of question I will ask. I mean, member D, then 1. Then you will say that no, this is invalid or something. What it will
False.
return?
False.
False.
Chalo. Now you are getting. Okay, chalo. So I told you sometimes back that for each key in keys, this should be always a list. Do you think this is a list? Keys of D?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Keys of D
Yes.
is a list.
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Keys.
So
That's
for each always used for accessing the element of a
List.
list. That is what we have made. Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's interesting, na? We cleverly also did that one means for accessing the elements of a dictionary. Chal. Now for each key in keys of A. So when we go first time, so once you create keys of D, this will be constant for this because you have to go again and again. I mean, this is a loop, no? So once you write keys of D, then this dictionary, this key is like if you write again keys of D, then you will think that now I have to change the order. But once you create for this for each key in keys of D, this is like a
Index.
creation you have created. Now this list is fixed. Now you are accessing the elements of first in chemistry, then Chennai, then Bangalore, then Kochi, then Patna, then Delhi, like that. Understand?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
when you go first time, what is the value of key you have?
Chennai.
Chennai. Now check if so this is I think you have already seen these type of code, but thing is that we have used dictionary and key. It will look little different, but the concept you already know. I mean, you will come to know how you. So key of is equal to A. So what I have written here, I mean, D of key. So D of key. What is the
80.
value?
80.
Chennai actually right now.
So what is that key?
That is first one. Chennai.
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 Hannah? And we are checking with A. So what it is actually D of Chennai is what?
Sir, A is an integer, right?
Sorry?
It's 80.
80.
80. 80 is equal to? What is the value of it?
0.
It's a true or false?
False.
False.
It go inside. No, na?
No, sir.
So
Where it will come?
No, sir.
Number?
line 20.
Line number.
Line 20.
Sir,
Now,
one
yeah.
second, sir.
Yeah.
So the first if condition, if D of key, I mean D of Chennai, you said it is checking the marks of Chennai.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, but we are not putting the okay. Yeah, it's calling with that key. Okay.
Yeah, it's
got it.
calling with the key. Remember, so it will represent the corresponding value, not the key.
Value.
Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So little confusing in the sense if you go first time, but if you have to do by yourself, take a random data, just go 5 data, collect 5 cards, write data, and try to interpret
Okay.
this code. Try to go through that at least 1 or 2 times. Everybody, I'm requesting, please do like this, like what I'm doing here. Then you, once you do now 1 or 2 times, then no need to do this one. You will automatically understand that what is actually represented. Okay, chalo. So this is false, so you will not go. You will come to line number 20, and what again you are checking? If greater than, let me write this guy. We are checking this guy. Let me write greater than. So now, so you come here. If D of key was Chennai, so D of Chennai is 80. 80 is greater than 0. True or false?
True.
What it will do? A will be
B.
Assigned to the value.
D of key. D of key is what?
Chennai.
Chennai.
D of key Chennai, so 80.
80. And what is that B?
Chennai.
East key means Chennai.
Chennai, sir.
List form.
Yeah. It is making a list. Hai na? Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
this? Chalo. So what I have done, I have checked that first element, and we check that if it is greater than A, you have to update the value of A with 80 and B also. Now go to the next. Next is what? Patna. So keys next. Corresponding now. Keys now.
No.
Patna.
Sorry, Bangalore.
Bangalore.
No. Wait a second, sir. Can you show the list? Bangalore.
Yeah, actually, okay, Bangalore. Yeah, sorry. Bangalore. And we are checking here with Bangalore. And this is A is what?
80.
80. And what is the value of Bangalore here?
98.
98.
Is it
Not equal to 0.
not equal to
false, sir?
Not equal to A.
80, no?
Not
it is
equal to
what?
A means 80.
80, no?
False, sir.
Yes.
This is false. Where it will go? It will go to the else part 20.
Line 20.
It will go to the 20, not else part, because we do not have that. We will go to the 20th step, 20th line number. We will check again. So is greater than A. What is that? 98, no? 98 is greater than 80. True or false?
Yes, sir. True.
D of now, what is that? Key.
Bangalore key is
Bangalore.
98.
This will become
98.
and this will become
Bangalore.
No, sir, it's add Bangalore. Sir, less.
No, it will Bangalore.
No, it's gonna set the value. It's not incrementing the list.
we are not
It's assigning.
appending plus we are not doing. We are here only updating. So this will be like that. See, sometimes you will update with A. Next time what you will do? A with another 8. No, like that we are doing. Na?
The week 6 previous we are uploading in the train data set. Graded assignment 6.
What I didn't get.
In graded assignment 6, now you just solve. We are updating the value of
Yeah. So we updated the value earlier. B was a list which element was Chennai. Now we have another. We have updated the value of B with list which has element Bangalore. Okay.
Right, sir.
Everybody is clear on this still here?
Yes, sir.
Now it will come for Kochi. Kochi, no? Kochi, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are coming with key. What is that key? Next key is
Kochi.
now we'll see what is happening. Chala. So again we'll check if D of key. What is that key? Just a minute. Is equal to A
is true.
This is D of
Kochi.
D of Kochi.
Equal to
98.
A. What is the value of A?
98.
98, sir.
What is the Kochi value?
98.
98.
Is equal to 98. Is true or false?
True, sir. True.
What will do?
We
We'll
will
append
Go
the list.
inside and append
Go
the
in-
list.
So
go
this
inside
is,
the
this is
17.
this is true. What will do? B, it will come inside, and what will do? B is equal to B plus
Kochi.
Kochi.
So
List
what we
form.
have done? Can you see that we are appending? Initial value of B was what?
Bengaluru,
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
And
Plus,
comma Kochi.
Plus list Kochi.
what does it indicate?
This will be.
Bangalore and Kochi.
Bengaluru and
List,
Kochi.
list of
So
Bangalore
B
and
will
Kochi.
become like this. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we'll come to here. If D of key is what? What is the value here now?
98.
98 is
98.
than
Greater
98.
than 98.
False.
False.
No, sir.
Will it
False.
go? No.
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 No, sir.
Next time is what? Patna.
Patna.
So D of Patna. What is the value of D of Patna?
70.
70.
70
70,
is equal to 98.
No, sir.
No,
False.
false.
No, sir.
Now
False.
70 is greater than 98.
Again,
False.
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 Again, next card. What is
Delhi.
that? Delhi.
Then
Delhi is what? How much?
90.
90.
So D of 90, sorry, D of Delhi is equal to
Bangalore.
A. What is that?
False.
False.
A was 98.
90 is
so false.
greater. 90 is equal
Equal
to 98.
False.
It will
False.
not coincide.
False.
90 is greater than 98.
Again,
False.
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 We have covered all the things and we ended with the value. What is that? B is this one and A
Bang.
List of
is 98. So what do
A
you
is
think that?
98.
List of cities.
list of
highest
cities of
physics.
marks.
The question was what B will represent. So what B will is number of cities. It is not representing number. Number of cities. No, it is representing. Yeah, okay. List of cities from which a student have scored the highest physics marks. C is the correct, no?
Yes, sir. See.
Highest physics
Yes,
marks.
sir.
Not
List
the
of cities. Yeah.
Same
C.
marks. So can you see this? Only Kochi and Bengaluru has
Correct.
98, and that is the least actually. So it is representing list of cities from which students have scored highest physics marks. So that is the answer. Do you guys do like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you have a lot of problems then. From question number 2, 3, 4, 5, try to do now then.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
We
so
will,
till now
sir.
anybody is having doubt. Now we have to work on. Yeah.
No,
tell
sir.
me.
No, sir. No doubt. No doubt.
Okay, then today class is over. I don't think so. People will have now confusion in dictionary. If it is as, please rewatch the lecture. And that will be available on your YouTube. I
YouTube.
think. Yeah, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Sir, can we write 0 as a key value?
क्यों नहीं? Why not? Yes. You can
Okay.
write like this. Yeah, miss. You are saying that D. What is that? 0. 0 is a corresponding 0 like this.
Sir.
Yeah, why not?
0 is the key and it will give us the value as 0.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Good. Anyone others? I mean, anyone?
Sir, if we have a key like Kochi is 78, then how we will add, like, if we want to add marks in this, like
That is what I have done. No, I mean, while creating here, Patna was which one coming twice?
I was coming.
So Chennai came twice.
No,
Chennai,
no. What I'm saying is, if I want to add if it is has 70 marks and I want to add 12 more marks, and then it will become 82.
So you can do that, na? How can you? This is the Kochi, Chennai. You told, na?
Chennai
is equal to
whatever.
Chennai plus x dot. How much you want to add, or something? Let us 12 like this.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So this is a variable. You are updating. So this is a variable. You are updating this variable by adding 12 marks. Like that you were doing. Now age count is equal to count plus 1. What you are doing? This is a variable. You
Yes,
are
sir.
updating this variable with adding 1. That is what we are doing now.
Yes, sir. Incrementing the value. Right, sir.
Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. One more question relating to this.
Yeah, one by one, please. One by one.
So one more question relating to that. If the key is Chennai and there are two keys of the same name, so would
No,
that
no. That is, duplicate keys are not possible.
Oh, right. Yes, sir.
You guys are forgetting. So please remember, how many have guys made this note? Let me write actually. What is that today's date? I mean, just Jan.
Me, sir. Me making the note.
Me.
With you.
Yes, I made note that it was necessary.
This is Jan 2023 batch. Okay, chalo. Yeah. So please, you can also make note. You go to the YouTube, go line by line, make notes. No, because if I share this one, no, I have updated in between, and if you write that, you will be in confusion. So you have to make a note like as you are watching the lecture. Okay.
Yes, sir. Like what is key represent and for each is represent.
Everything. Okay. So those who have a doubt, please raise your hand. I will call your name. And those who are not having doubt, please mute yourself. It's the last 5 minutes. Yeah. Raj, Deepak. Yeah. Tell me, what's your doubt?
Sir, can we write key and value with same data type like string?
That is what I have written. No? Same. This is integer. This is integer. You want to write something? Yeah. Deepak, you want to write? From where are you? I mean, which city?
Patna.
See? Did I write the same thing?
Oh, okay, sir. Get it.
Okay. Okay. Why my caps lock is not working? Yeah. Chalo. Yeah. Next, Pratap, what's your doubt, please?
That's what. How to create a dictionary? So whenever we are creating a dictionary, it should always have a key and its value in the pseudocode. When you are appending to a dictionary or creating a new dictionary, but have to practice more. Or how? There is only one line we have understood how to create a dictionary.
Yeah. So see, whenever you are this is the code. This is the line for creating a dictionary. This we have.
Line number 10.
This we have created dictionary. Next question. I think now we are creating a dictionary like this. This is a nested dictionary.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what it is actually, I just tell you the brief. This one, just listen. What it is happening here? No? I mean, see, I don't know what is going to represent, but I'm going to tell that how dictionary will look like. So see, let us see what is happening. This is again the shopping bill question. How it will work? Read the first code, first row X. Okay. So now now it is just see what it is happening here. Is key D comma X dot shop name. Let us say the first card is there coming from Big Bazaar. So D comma Big Bazaar. So D comma Big Bazaar, what you will return? It is going first time. D you have initialized with the empty. So what this guy will return? What do you think?
Will return true.
True. So true, is it? This is an empty dictionary. You haven't you have no element. So obviously this key is not present in dictionary D, no? So it will return false, no? Hello.
But is key means it should be true, no, sir? It is not is key.
See, Pratap, is key. What was the main function, main purpose of this one? It checks in a dictionary D whether this key is present or not. Remember, is key checks whether this in this dictionary, this key is a present or not. You have created first, you have created dictionary as an empty dictionary. There is no key x dot shop name. When you go first time, so x dot shop name is like Big Bazaar. First you are going, let us say Big Bazaar. So obviously Big Bazaar is not a key of this dictionary D, no. So this will return false, no. It will true return when
Yes,
this,
sir, it is false, sir. Okay, sir.
this is a key. But can you think that any key is there in this dictionary?
It is not there, sir. Yes, sir. It is not, no key is there.
So this is a this will return as a false. So not false will be what? Not false will be what?
True.
True.
So true meaning, so then it will go inside, and this is question number 2. And D, you have done what is that? D x dot shop name. Shop name is Big Bazaar, and you have created another. What is that? Can you see this? Another dictionary. Another dictionary. Now let us come through this guy. For each item in x dot item list. So when you are going first time, item list is there. Where is that? We have our something called what is that?
Shopping bill
Shopping
dataset.
bill dataset. Let us say Big Bazaar wala. I'm just checking. Yeah. So Big Bazaar, you can see item. These are the item list now. So when you are first card was there, Big Bazaar, let us say, and in which items are there. So what we are checking here in the pseudocode, for each item in x dot item list. So what are the item lists? The item lists are these are baked beans, chicken wings, cocoa powder, capsicum, Thai clips. These are the actually a list actually. So these are made as a list. That's why we are at x dot item list. Okay. When you go first time, item will be first item will be baked beans. Now we will check x dot in shop name Big Bazaar item list baked beans. It made it as true. So your dictionary will look like this. When you go D, sorry, D, you are creating actually. I have used as a square bracket. I had to use a square bracket. So this will be, and this is item list. First was the baked beans, no, something.
Right, sir.
Baked beans. This will, you have made it as just simply true. So as you read first time, so D, sorry, your D will look like this. What is the outer key? Big Bazaar. Inside you have another key. What is that? Baked item.
Baked beans.
Baked beans. In that you have made it as true, like that. When you go next time, what is the next element you are having? Sorry, let me. Okay.
Chicken
chicken wings. Next item is chicken wings. So chicken wings is there. So what you're doing next time? D again. Big Bazaar, because Big Bazaar is still same, because we haven't finished all these items. So again, chicken wings. Chicken wings. This will be again, you have written as true. Sorry. So how it will look like your dictionary? So D will look like this. Let me write, copy and paste. Control C. Hey guys, are you getting what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chicken wings. This made it as true. Corresponding value. My E is not like that. Next item like that. So it will keep going. And it will add all the elements of this card. Okay. And finally it will have all the elements, these items as a key of this inner
D list.
This one, inner list. Huh? Okay. So as you finish this one, all these cards, because none of the item is remaining, this will be like You have finished with all
First
items.
card.
Now that card is moved to table 2. Now again go and check for the next card. Next card will, let us say, either SV general store or any store. If it is a general, if it is a what is that, SV store, then again you will create a new dictionary. In this, like it will look like this, SV, and again you will write all the elements in this, like some items will be eggs. Okay, in this it will write it as true, like that, and like that it will be. What if come for the next time, again it comes a third card, fourth card, let us say Big Bazaar again comes. Now we'll check. So is key D comma X dot shop name. So Big Bazaar I have told. So D comma Big Bazaar is true or false? True.
False.
So it's true. So not true means false.
Not true means?
Not true is false.
False.
False. Now it will come here. Now for each item in X dot item list. Now come here. Let us say the first item is something called X. So D Big Bazaar X. Let us say it is there or not. Big Bazaar X, any item is there. A item is the key is X is there. No, na. If it is not there, then
No.
it will append. If it is there, still it will give the update the value with true itself. Like let us say baked beans is there, so it will come here. Big Bazaar baked beans and true will be there. Like that it will create a dictionary. After that you have to check. So in dictionary, the most important thing, how to create a dictionary. That is a big time. Don't think that this is very easy. As you are able to create a dictionary, your more than 70% is done. For the code, you have done the 70% of the code. Now the rest thing you have to just compare things. This is very easy job. You will understand that. Can you see that? Now can you see that length is used for which function? Which type of data? Only list?
Cardinality of the list.
And this is what you have done as a keys of D of A. This is for the, you have created as a,
It
list.
will store the list of keys inside the D.
Yeah.
Like it will store the Big Bazaar as we store in Sun General, right, sir?
No. So keys of D of A.
It would store the
Let us say Big
values.
Bazaar. So D of Big Bazaar is these things.
So it would be
keys
baked
of,
beans, chicken wings. I mean,
keys of this one will be
that
baked
thing.
beans, chicken wings.
Oh,
other
right.
things. Understand?
Right, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So try to think that what is actually, first put little bit more effort to create a list. Dictionary. How it will be? Go line by line. Think that what I, please revise these things. This is very much important, because if you do not revise, now you will be confused. You already learned that one, but you will be confused because you haven't revised things. And think these are new for you guys. That's why you have to revise again and again. Okay? Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir. We
Okay,
will
then.
revise.
Should I? Okay. So last minute doubt. Anybody is having doubt? Last minute.
No, sir.
Okay. Good.
I have a doubt.
So we gotta go through the questions first, and if there is anything, then we can ask you tomorrow's session after the Solvitas instructor, sir.
Sure. I think Nalini will take the session. Then you can ask to her also. After the session, she will answer. Okay. And also maybe still. I mean, if you are not able to understand, then definitely I will have one more session like this. Okay. Good, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thanks. Thank you guys for joining, and I hope you will do good in graded assignment of this dictionary. Okay?
Yes. Sir, where is the link of YouTube?
Sorry?
It
Sir,
will
where is
be
the link?
It will be uploaded.
It will be uploaded. It will be uploaded. I mean, this I just talked to the studio team, and they will upload it soon. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. for
Today's
such a
session
great
was
session.
helpful, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have a doubt in week 5 activity assignments. Can I ask that doubt?
Okay, what is the doubt?
So it's activity 5.5 and question number 3.
5.
Yeah, activity 5.5, question number 3.
Question number 3. Yes.
Yeah. So according to me, I think so. The answer is elements of LOI are unique, but I think answer can also be elements of LOI are equal. It's a series question, so we will have to solve from this beginning. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So what it is actually doing? L is in order. It checks what that procedure greater than 2. So you are saying that this will be also say correct answer.
Okay, so I got it. That's the condition is false. Okay. Now I got it. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, then thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
सर
Yes.
सर एक डाउट लेना था मुझे
Yeah, tell me first.
सर वो वीक 6 का जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन है ना ग्रेड असाइनमेंट का
हाँ
उसमें सर फ्लैग 1 और फ्लैग 2 ट्रू सेम वैल्यू कैसे लेंगे मतलब
आपने ज्वाइन किया था सेशन? आई मीन आई थिंक कौन सा दिन था? फ्राइडे को आई हैव टेकन दैट सेशन. प्लीज वॉच दैट लेक्चर. नो, आई थिंक लास्ट 5 to 10 minutes. Please watch that one. I have explained each and every questions of graded assignment, I think. No, what do you think, guys? Others?
Yes, sir. It was from third question to 10th question. Oh.
Yes. Yeah, please watch that one. If you are still having doubt, let me know. I will definitely discuss
okay,
that.
Sir.
Okay. Good.
Sir, the trains data set you're talking, right?
Yeah, I think that one only.
You did discuss that. Okay.
Yeah. Last question.
In the last session you took.
Which date can you tell me?
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah. So you have
last Friday session.
Yeah, so this is the session, I think. I mean, you have a link, no? Means calendar updated, that links are there, no?
Yes, sir. That's why I was asking.
Yeah, please. And the Friday session, open session, that one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Bye, sir.